na-feel karong adlaw is kanang excited and a bit overwhelmed. Nya kulbo pod.
Sa ako na feel no adlaw nga kaslon ko kay mixed. Nalipay ko nga nakulbaan na basin di ko katubag tarong sa simbahan, di ko kadungog. Og nalipay kayo kay na akong pamilya o ang pamilya sa ni Rosie o akong mga amigo.
What fortune lies beyond the stars? Those dazzling heights too fast to climb. I got so high to fall so far, but I found heaven as love swept.
Kami ni Adrian is classmate ni pag college.
From I think first year to fourth year, wala pa ko niya nanguyab ato kay gahuwat mi nga mang-graduate mi ni una siya.
Touch the sky when my knees hit the ground.
Sa among mga barkada, kami jud kanang nagpartner. And then nagkauyab mi after na pag-graduate.
Pag-graduate na mo, so na siya work, ato, nanguyab na ko niya. And yeah, after 8 years, naman guro ron, abot na mi diri.
Have me again. My heart beating, my soul breathing.
Nya, mao to, wala pa to pag-una. Pag fourth year, ato lang na ako na-realize nga, kuan mo diri si Rosie, oh. Na siya, kuan, ni spark something kalit. Yeah.
Touch the sky when my knees hit the ground.
Sige po na ko siya ingon nga dili man ikaw ako ang kanang ideal man jud, pero I think mao jud na ang purpose ni God. Then di ba kanang di jud nimo makuha ang perfect nan, then si God na jud mangita ni sa imong perfect man.
Finally here at your feet again. Everything I am, reaching out, I surrender. Come sweep me up in your love again. And my soul will dance on the wings of forever. Finally here at your feet again. Everything I am, reaching out, I surrender. Sweep me up in your love again, and my soul will dance on the wings of forever. My heart beating.
Salamat kayo for all the years that we've been through ups and downs.
This is gonna be exciting, but I hope that we'll do it together as we grow. And thank you, and I love you.
When we sit there, my heart beating, my soul breathing, I found my life. When we get down, I walk for you. Spirits high, I touch the sky. When we sit there, find me here at your feet again. Everything I am, reaching out, I surrender. Come sweep me up in your love again, and my soul will dance on the wings of forever. Upward falling.
I would like to express my love and express the depth of my commitment to our journey together. And from the moment our paths crossed, I know that you were the missing piece to my puzzle, and that would fill my life with joy, laughter, and unconditional love.